Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set or change machine info in Oracle Linux 9 operating system. So machine info is nothing but it's a metadata or information about the machine which was set by the administrator. So first I log in as a terminal as a root user. So I am typing the command hostnamectl. So here you can see that icon name, chassis name, deployment name, location. So all these are machine info. So metadata. So it does not affect any static host entries, etc. etc. See here /etc slash mission info is the name of the file. So here you can see that these 4 entries are there in mission info. That is location name, deployment name, chassis name, icon name. So these are the metadata. So you can modify them. So I am modifying the directly. So I am modifying the location name now, and also I am going to modify the deployment name. So I am putting as a development box. Okay. Now I am checking the content. Yes, content is got updated. So now let me type the hostnamectl command. Yes, so you can see that these informations we are getting from mission-info. So mission-info has direct connection with the hostnamectl command. So it fetches the metadata. So now I am going to set the pretty host name. So I am setting the pretty host name now. Pretty host name is nothing but the fancy host name. So it does not affect the static host name entries. See here, I have set the pretty host name. Now let me check the machine info file. Yes, so you can see that pretty host name also got updated. So these 5 entries will be there in mission info.